Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the mindset of our most valuable allies, our viewers. Creating YouTube content in a vacuum is a recipe for disappointment. To truly success, you need to understand what your audience wants. Let's become a viewer's whispers, deciphering their desire and crafting content that keep them glued to their screens. So grab a metaphorical detective head because it's time to crack the viewer's code. Imagine pouring your heart and soul in a video, only see crickets in the comment section. Yes, knowing that what your audience wants to crucial for creating engaging content that resonates with them. Happy viewers lead to a thriving channel. But how do we unlock the secrets of viewer desire? Here are some powerful tools. The comment section is goldmine of viewer feedback. Read through comment, respond thoughtfully and analyze trends in what viewers are asking for a responding to. The another one is polls and survey. Take an active role in understanding your audience. Create polls and survey using tools like Google Forms to directly ask viewer what kind of content they want to see, what topics interest them, and what format they prefer. The analytics. YouTube Analytics is your treasure trove of data. Look at watch time, audience demographics, and engagement metrics to see what kind of content performs best. So don't worry about that. In future, I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube Analytics. Utilize social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook groups relevant to your niche. See what conversations are trending, what question people are asking, and what kind of content gets shared the most. Look beyond YouTube. Tools like Google Trends can show you what topics most are currently trends and what people are searching for. I already make a video how can you use Google Trend. This can express idea for content that aligns with broader audience interest. And you can also use Monkey for survey. So in this way you can know what your audience want and what your viewers want from you. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.